request Mr. Vishnu Chandra, Deputy Director, Scientist G of NIC, this question, sir. So, digitization and innovation can prove to be differentiator in creating a technology-driven AatmaNirbhar Bharat. What is your take on that, sir?
Thank you for inviting me here. In fact, not many things has been spoken by my DG and IC just before this session. See, AatmaNirbhar Bharat and technology innovation is basically, they are very well connected. And I will give you an example. Since last 3 decades or so, we in NIC, I look after the area related to geospatial technology and services. So when we started in early 90s, when geospatial or GIS was not a mainstream IT, and including hardware, software, data, everything used to be proprietary. And maps were not available in digital form, and there a lot of work. Since that time, moving to desktop stage, to client server, to web, to have a internet GIS systems, exchange of data. So lot of things as far as the AatmaNirbhar Bharat in terms of building Indian data has happened. And today, with the various levels of collaboration among various government organizations, including NIC, Survey of India, ISRO, Registrar General of India, and Forest Service of India, we have a platform called Bharat Maps available in NIC, where even we are exchanging map as a service, a REST-based service, to get integrated in workflows in various e-governance projects. So that is change has happened. In terms of software tools and technology, a lot of, you can say, simplification and demystification has happened, because the tools and technology has also been simplified, because visualization and analytics is also well integrated with IT systems. So you have a map service, you have a data service, combine them and create a citizen service. And definitely today location is important part of entire decision making process. So geotagging and georeferencing, what you call a spatial data infrastructure. So lot of innovations, and you know, around recent time, the latest development which is happening, which is lot of startups are coming in this area, where geospatial is directly getting integrated with business, with what you call consumer demands. So like very common service like navigation is now available in every mobile. Supply chain applications which use navigation is available. Right of the way management, we are talking about PM Gati Shakti, multimodal systems. So right of the way management, those processes, things are available. Similarly, on business side, integration of geospatial and satellite imagery with say fintech means now people are working on say insurance product, mortgage product, or loan products related to properties and land, which directly integrate real-time satellite imagery data. So lot of innovation, lot of things are happening, and definitely these are the steps towards AatmaNirbhar Bharat, when in day-to-day life, geospatial, real-time imagery, because there is a space revolution is happening. So you get every 5 to 6 hours image about a particular area. So you can monitor it, you can, and sensor network also. So a lot of real-time data is flowing, getting integrated in geo platforms and delivered as a service. So a lot of integration with business, fintech industries, insurance agencies, and so on. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for sharing the insights. And nobody can deny the role of NIC in making India AatmaNirbhar. So absolutely perfect. And also just want to add that technology is an interface which makes things simpler for people who are using it. So absolutely a pleasure to hear from you, sir.